From Global's newsroom at 4 o'clock, a major incident has been declared in London as cases of the Omicron coronavirus variant rise in the capital and more people are admitted to hospital. Just over 10,000 new cases of the variant were detected across the country in the latest 24-hour period. Mayor of London Sadiq Khan says he had to act quickly.
Over the last 24 hours, we've had the largest number of new cases since this pandemic began, more than 26,000. Hospital admissions are going up, but also staff absences are going up by a massive level. It's really important Londoners understand how serious things are. The best thing Londoners can do is to get both vaccines and the booster.
It's thought tougher coronavirus restrictions could be introduced in the new year to try and control its spread under a so-called Plan C. Cabinet ministers have been briefed on the latest COVID data. Dr. Bharat Pankania from the University of Exeter Medical School says listening to the scientists' advice could mean more restrictions will be avoided.
Put the brakes on now, reduce your exposure-prone events, i.e. parties, gatherings, etc. Wear your mask, wear a good quality mask, wear it properly. If we were to implement all of those easy to implement measures, we hopefully will not go into circuit breaker territory.
4 people have died and a 5th has been critically injured in 5 separate crashes on London's roads within the space of 24 hours. A 16-year-old boy is among those killed. Police say none of the incidents are directly linked. A woman who was questioned on suspicion of neglect following a fire in South London that killed 2 sets of twins has been released on bail. Police say the boys, aged 3 and 4, were alone in the property in Sutton when the fire started. Aston Villa's Premier League match with Burnley this afternoon became the 6th top-flight game this weekend to be postponed due to coronavirus. Villa say it's due to an increased amount of positive test results. 19 matches across the English Football League were also affected. And the weather: low cloud and fog across England and Wales tonight, clear in parts of Scotland, Wales and south-west England, but there is the chance of frost with a low of 0. From Global's newsroom, I'm David Dom.